Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing and try-on of Nudestix product. So I ordered the Nudestix eyeshadow pencils, and I think I ordered a lipstick too. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I got. So so it comes, whoop. So it's cute because on the box they say, you know, I think makeup should be easy, fast, and above all fun. Nudestix is about effortless beauty. It's no makeup. You just draw and smudge on for perfection in an instant. So that's why I love it, because they're easy to use. Like all you need is one color or like a crease color and you're done. So they sent me a antibacterial gel, little hand sanitizer, and I think that's it. Oh, and some samples of their concealer. So we're not gonna try that on, but so I don't even remember how many I ordered because they were having a 40% off sale, so I wanted to take advantage of the sale. So I don't even know the order they came in. I'm just gonna grab, you know, each one. So the first one is called Pink Seashells, and they have a mirror, and they come in a little case, and they have little, like, what is this, like, it tells you, you know, thanks so much for buying Nudestix, we hope you love it as much as we do, and so on. And the ingredients comes with a little sharpener, and let's go ahead and open it. Oh wow, this might take me long because they're all individually wrapped. I might have to open them all up and then come back because I think I'm gonna be here all day trying to do this. So, well, this is the first one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open them all first because I think it's gonna take too long for me to try to open each one, and you guys are gonna have to wait for me to do that. So I will be back and do that and then start over. All right, I'm back. So look at all the trash. Okay, so we'll put that down so it's not in the way. So we're gonna start in no particular order. I just like I said, I opened them up, and then I'll show you guys as I go. So the first one is called Sunrise Star, and it's a luminous eye because there's matte finish. I think they have like the shimmer, and then I'm assuming luminous. So this one, so this is how they look, and they come like that. So I wanted to order a few. Ooh, this one's so pretty. It's like a coral color. It's really pretty. It's a soft coral. Maybe that's one I will use to do my eye look. And then let's see, the next one is called Smoke, and this one I actually have and I ran out, and this is one of my favorites. This is like a gray charcoal, light charcoal, almost like a slate, like really pretty. You see that? This is my favorite when I do like a soft smoky eye. I always like get compliments when I use this one because I use it with the brown and it looks really pretty. The next one is Angel, and I chose this one because it's like a highlighter color, like a inner corner. Ooh, pretty. That's so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited because some of these I do not have. The next one is called, you can't even see, this is so dark. This is a matte one, and it's called Maroon. Oh yes, it's like a deep red. Oh, I like it. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm gonna live on these eyeshadows. Like, when literally, if this can take me like 10 minutes to do, like not even that, less than that. I just, very fast, easy. Okay, the next one is also a luminous eye. It's called Twilight. I'm thinking if I have this one already, but I don't remember. No, I don't. So this is a more of a silver color. So pretty too. These are all so nice. And I honestly, when I was ordering, I was just kind of guessing. Some of them, because I already have, I knew. And some, you know, I actually only have the smoke. The other ones are new. I don't have them. And then the last one is called Pink Seashells. All right, it's not spelled seashells though, but I think that's what it means. It's S-E-Y. Okay, oh, this is so pretty. It's like a pink mauve. Really, really pretty. All right, so those are all the shadow sticks. Very soft, easy to use, and they do not smudge. That's why I love them, because I can use them on the lid. That's why I didn't do my eyes today, so I can show you guys. And I can use them as a liner. They just look gorgeous. Okay, and then I also got a lipstick. And the lipstick it's a matte lip, and this one is called Tamed. Try it on this hand. And it's like a pinky mauve color. I've used their pencils, lip pencils before, but it's been a while. That is so pretty. So pretty. Well, let's see. What should I play with? Oh, I think I'm gonna do the coral with the angel. Yep, I think I want to do this color with the angel. These two. They're not gonna go with the lipstick, but it's all right. I don't want to go too dark. All right, so let's get started. So we are gonna start with the brown, the lid, and we are gonna be using the one that's called Sunrise Star. So we're gonna start in applying this on the lid, and like I said, it's so easy. All you do is apply it on the lid all over, and then you can use your finger to kind of blend this so it doesn't look like a hard, you know, crease. And then just do that, and then you can even just wear that like that and be done, you know. And then you can add another color on the bottom, or even wear the same color just on the halfway. And we're actually gonna try that. Okay, and then you just get a brush and just kind of blend it out so it doesn't look so harsh. Pretty. Okay, and then I'll do the other side too, and then I'm gonna, of course I'll do the other side. I'm gonna do a crease color too to make it pop a little more. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and add a crease color, and I'm gonna use the Tarte, so this is the Tarte Clay Play palette. I'm not sure if they still make it, but I love it because it's all matte finish colors. I'm gonna use this color here. It's like this color here, it's like an orange color. Ooh, so pretty. It looks almost like beachy, summery. And then I'm gonna do the other side and grab, actually I want to maybe darken it up on the corner, but this is like if you just wanted to do two colors and you're all done. So I had a shadow base and that was it, and then I actually added the cream color on the crease, on the brow bone right here. And so you can just do that, add some mascara and be done, add some liner on the waterline, and that would be an easy look. And if I want to make it darker, I'll just, you know, do add a darker color in the corner, and that's what I'll do. Okay, so there, and that's pretty much all you really need to do. If you wanted just to do that, you can always add some of that brown and add some down here. There we go. And then we're gonna add a little more of this coral here. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the darker brown, which is, it's called Smoke, and that's this color here. And I'm gonna add some of that just to darken it up a little bit over here. This is if you want to do a little more, you know, like if you want to add more color to your eyes. And then I'm gonna grab the same color again and then just like tap it and then circular motions just to give it that little bit of a darker finish to it. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, I really like it. All right, so we're gonna grab Angel and add Angel to the inner corner. I really like that. And we're gonna come back and add a little bit of this here so the Angel is not so like, you know, bright in the corner. And then we're gonna do this. There we go. As you can see, I hardly even used a brush. I used like one brush. That is all. And that was easy. That was easy, quick. Anybody can do it. And I just love the way the colors turned out. And if you want to add color, so what I did is before we started, I added a color to the tight line. If you want to darken it up, you can add color to the waterline, and just need to add some mascara and it'll be done. Okay guys, so all I did was use 2 colors, and then I used the two Nudestix colors, and then I used the matte finish colors from Tarte to finish the look. But like I was telling you, you don't even need to do that. You can just use the Nudestix and be done. Add some liner and mascara, but I wanted to kind of make it a little bit more dramatic, and I think it turned out pretty nice. I like these colors, the color combo. It just looks it looks really nice. I really like the way this brightens it up. So we're gonna try the lipstick. I'm gonna take off what I'm wearing now. Let's try on the lipstick. It's not gonna really match, but it's just so you guys can see it. So like I said again, the lipstick is called Tame, and it's a matte lipstick. Okay, so let's try this out. Ooh, it's on the hand, it looks darker than what it does on the lips. It's very matte. Oh, wow. It feels nice and soft, but it looks weird with this color eyeshadow. But it's pretty. It's, I don't know, I haven't, my lips are dry. I haven't used matte lipsticks in a while, so I feel kind of weird. So now I'm wearing mattes, but it is, I mean, it's different. It's, like I said, it doesn't go with this look, but it is pretty. I think it would have looked really nice if I would have done the smoky eye. It would have looked really nice. I'm gonna put some gloss on it so it doesn't look so, I don't look so pale. So, and this is a Dior gloss. I don't know if they even make this one anymore. This is an older formula, 343. They still, maybe because they reformulated these and they changed the applicator. Okay, not liking it. No, I think I'm gonna go back to my lipstick that I had. But just so you guys get the idea, the the lipstick looks totally different on my skin. As you can see, it doesn't look as light that it does on my lips. I think I would wear it if I was wearing a gray tone or a smoky eye, but with this colors, I would not wear it with these colors, but I do like it. So those are the Nudestix. These, like I said, these are what I like to use when I want to do a quick look, fast and easy. And they have a lot of other colors, but these are the colors that I don't have. I probably have like 5 other colors, and I've done looks with them too in my other videos. But these are fun colors and I wanted to try something different. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or if you have any other colors that you recommend that you used before, let me know. If you've tried other eyeshadow sticks, let me know, because I've tried the Bobbi Brown one and I didn't like it. The color was beautiful, but it smudged. So, and I think the Le Mercier is good too. But so far, these are my favorite. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.